I'm Amber, and for the past 2 years I have been traveling and working around the world. Pursuing my dreams has been the best decision I ever made. Follow me on my journey and learn everything about the tips and tricks along the way. Today I had quite some free time until late in the afternoon, so I decided I want to go horse riding and booked a private tour. We started off, but soon it turned out my horse was lame, so luckily one of the other guides came and we swapped horses, and then the adventure could start. So I'm back on board again, and as you can see I'm ready to get to work. I had an amazing time riding through the desert. I booked a private tour because in the morning there was actually a group tour, and in the afternoon as well, but I booked the tour at like 8:39, and the morning ride was already finished and the afternoon ride is during my working hours, so I couldn't. That's why I booked a private tour, and it was literally amazing. I had an amazing guide, he took a lot of pictures, we galloped a lot through the desert. It was really nice, I really enjoyed. I definitely want to go again. There are also some other adventures I still want to do, so we'll see what comes along the way. I hope you enjoyed as well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.